In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the GameVisual on ROG Xbox Ally X. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and press your Command Center button on your console. Then you're going to see Open Armory Crate SE. So what you want to do is just go over to that and then just select it with A. It's going to open up something like this, and you just want to go to GameVisual right there. Go ahead and click on that. Now, right now, as you can see, I'm on racing, but there are so many game visuals that you can do. You can even change the color temperature if you want to as well. So I have default, racing, you got scenery as well. You got RPG if you're playing like an RPG game, cinema, FPS, which enhances the visibility in dark scenes and makes it easier for you to spot enemies, which is really cool. There's eye care as well. There's vivid if you just like extra bright colors and things like that. You can also change the color temperature if you want to as well. So there's really a lot you can do, and you can also turn on ASD. It says when turned on, an OSD will show the current game visual mode after each system reboot. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other ROG Xbox Ally X videos on this channel.